Hi guys.
Hi, I'm Kris.
Kathy Wathy.
And I'm going to move this way because what she's going to do is for a subscriber and he would like her to do it. So there she goes.
Okay, Roberto. I'm putting on my glasses. If you like. What you see? Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe. La-da! Subscribe and like. Subscribe and like. Thank you, Roberto. We love you.
We need subscribers, Roberto. You're
subscribe.
You're gonna have to.
Oh, I'll move over.
You gotta move over.
Okay, guys, we got some new stuff. I'm excited. My sister's got some prettiness, and I got some prettiness. I got some brushes that came in from China. Actually, these were Taiwan, and even though they're cheapos, I'm hoping they work good today. It was an eye brush set for $1.89. So I'm gonna try them out.
I got two new brushes. This is e.l.f. powder brush. I think it's wonderful. And then this I ordered and I came in, and it's excellent for doing foundation, what I understand.
I'm actually getting one of those. I ordered the very same brush, but I ordered it from Taiwan. I think I paid $1.89 for it.
This is Bare Minerals.
Yeah, and it says Bare Minerals on the thing, but it's not. I know it's not. But anyways, for $1.89, I thought, I'll try it. And I even bought another one for 99 cents. It hadn't come yet. And I bought a copycat. Show them that big one. This one. I bought a copycat of that for $1. Something.
I paid
$1 something.
I don't want to say what I paid for this.
I'm cheap, so I always try to find something.
Okay, this is new. I'll be doing this sometime coming up. This is new, and Kathy might be doing something with this.
You know I love my NYX. I love my NYX. Oh yeah, baby.
You have it, don't you?
No, I don't. I do not have that.
This is by Catrice, and it's a blush. I have to try this next time.
I'll go hot wild on that. That ain't your style at all.
And
oh my God, that's NYX. Look at this, guys.
This is ombre blush
by NYX.
By NYX.
That is beautiful. She doesn't know it, but when she's not looking, I'm taking this.
Then I
she didn't know it.
This. That's. And
oh yeah, that one too.
She's seen this one. This has nice colors in it. Okay.
I just want to give a shout out in between all this to my beautiful, wonderful sister in Tacoma, Washington. Hey, Nance.
Hi, Nancy.
We miss you. It's been hard not talking to you much. But anyways, I love you anyways. And also I want to say a shout out to my precious Elizabeth. I know we're not related, but you're still family. I love you. I'm glad you're, I hope that you're looking at our videos, but you know, we're really not perfect. But if you look at the first one, we're way better than we used to be. I've come a long way, baby. Okay, so here we go. I've got a new one too. Ah! Jenny, I'm in the middle of a video. Can I call you when I'm through? Okay, love you, bye.
Okay. This is a Royal Affair, and these are, let's see if I can get the colors. This is by BEIGE Cosmetics.
Oh yeah. See. I got the Royal Affair brushes, but I did not get that, and I'm looking at it thinking, wow, why didn't I get it? Because it's really pretty. I'm doing a new one today, and it's by Essence. I love Essence. My dear Elizabeth, she showed us Essence. We didn't even know about it, and this was only $9.99. It's called I'm in the Band. And it has so many beautiful colors. I'm like trying to figure out which one to use. This is the top. And then, whoa, how do we open that?
It's got
tape on the side?
Tape on the side.
Doggone, why didn't I do this before I got on here? Oopsie. Okay. maybe it'll work. Okay, and here's the bottom of it. They're very creamy, luscious colors. I can't wait to try them. I'm actually really excited about this little palette. I've had very, very good luck with my Essence products, so I'm really liking them. The only thing I didn't have good luck with was, well, not even good luck, just it didn't work right for me, was I had gotten a lip gloss and the coloring wasn't coming out even at all, so I took it back. All right, so here we go. What am I going to start with?
I'm in what the heck? I'm in Rain, I think.
I'm putting Enter Sandman right here all over my lid.
I'm putting Rain. Oh, is that Rain?
What, baby?
Does that look like R-E-I-G-N?
R-E-I-G-N. It's
rain.
like a royal rain.
Yeah.
You're reigning over the people. Ha ha. Hee hee.
I'm putting
ho,
it
ho.
over my entire lid and my entire...
Yeah, these brushes are working pretty good. I'm really kind of shocked. I didn't expect it for $1.89 for the set, you know. But they're actually doing pretty darn good.
This is patching up.
Yeah, mine sort of is too, so I'm trying to build it. You can't push hard when you have this cream on your eyes or it just makes the cream move. That's one thing I learned the hard way. You just kind of lay it on the top layer of your skin.
Yeah.
I've always loved makeup and always wanted to have a lot of makeup but never been able to. And we're going to be starting a new thing. I don't know why we didn't continue with the I Hate Mondays, but
We can continue.
I would really like to start doing it again because we had a lot of viewers from it. We really did. You know, my goal here is to be able to have more people, you know, subscribing to us, and that we would be able to have sponsors so we could start really doing what we love doing, and that's selling makeup and making money.
We're not of the right age, but we...
It doesn't matter. You know what? A lot of people our age have money.
You are not in frame.
Whoops.
Now you are. Your head was...
Move it over like this. There we go. Ha ha, hee hee, ho ho.
I was going to wear
To the
my...
funny farm where life is beautiful all the time. What?
The balls.
I wish you would have. So those ones, I've never found another one like it, and I really always wanted more. And I don't know why I didn't buy two at the time, but they just looked like you. I had to give them to you. They really did look like you. Yeah, I'm having a tremendous amount of fallout on this palette. I don't know why.
Someone's buzzing you.
They are?
And I heard it buzz.
Bzz, bzz, bzz. Okay.
Okay. I just used Rain here. And I'm going to go into these two right here.
What the heck is going on? Why is there a string hanging off of that? That is weird. Oh, wrinkledy eyes. You want to know something, guys? Just because we're older doesn't mean that we're not qualified. We're older, we have more knowledge, and we're able to really honestly do good things. I know one thing, as a salesperson, I'm very good, so if anybody wants to sponsor me, I can do it, man, and so can she.
You.
Yeah, baby. What do I want to put? I think I'm going to put Wonderall.
This is a good song by Ada.
I'm gonna
what is it? Now I lost the name.
It's okay.
It was there 1 minute and gone.
Where did you go? Can I grab my thoughts back, please? These are really good brushes. I'm not expecting this. Ah! Look at the fallout. Look at this.
That's what I was just looking at.
Wow, baby.
Let's see if I had any.
Oh my gosh.
I don't.
Going in a line now. Yeah, that's one thing I don't like is when makeup gets right over in between your nose, then you've got this shadow that isn't even supposed to be there.
Okay.
And my sister tried something that I really am in love with. At the moment, I'm in love with it. Where's the setting powder? You got to show it to me after that. I am so in love with this stuff. I can't believe how well it worked on the very first time. This is by, let's see, who's it by? It's Master Fix by Maybelline. And this stuff is such an excellent setting powder. It makes your face look finished. Loving it right now. And I like Maybelline. I've used it since I was a small kid. And I'm 58 years old, so I've used it for a while. Maybelline's only getting better with their products. Have you noticed that?
Yep.
They're definitely keeping up with the big dogs. Oh, Nikki Tutorial works for Maybelline.
Yeah, she has a contract with Maybelline. She's got a contract with a bunch of people.
Yeah, she's got 10 million viewers, and
yep,
she's a young girl, and she definitely's got it going on. Hey, Nikki, we love you. I thought that video of you doing your makeup at 2 in the morning was funny.
She did makeup at 2 in the morning.
Yep, with what's her name? The girl that you have, Jaclyn Hill. Her and Jaclyn Hill did makeup at 2 in the morning, and she had to fly out, like I think at 5 or 6 somewhere.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
That's exactly what happened, baby. I'm telling you.
What the heck? How'd I get that?
Ooh, that's beautiful. I'm putting on Teen Spirit, which is right here, and in the crease I used Wonderall. Ooh, Teen Spirit's beautiful. Oh my Lord, hello.
This is not coming off. I'm gonna have a.
Oh dear, spray. Yeah, hang on. It should come off. Take that up there. Get that off of there. I said now and go. Is it off yet?
I don't know.
Look, is it off?
Yeah,
Okay.
so. I think so.
Oh my goodness, look at this. This is a lime color and it is beautiful. Oh wow. Loving it.
Okay. I just used these two, and I'm about these two, I should say, and I'm going to use this one, which is called Primrose. That's what it's
nice. She's using Primrose. She's a beautiful rose in the neighborhood. Oh my Lord, I'm going and buying that one. Oh, that orange is gorgeous. Look at that. All the sprinkly dews. This one I liked. It has a coupled with the brightness on it, but this is a really nice palette. And it's amazing to me. It's only $9.99. You know, and imagine online it's probably even cheaper than that.
That looks nice together. If I can get
Wow,
over the
baby.
creases.
I am gleaming and gleaming everywhere. I'm using my Tarte. My sister gave this to me right before we started, and I'm in love with this. I've been in love with it. I don't know if I can get another one because it was just a seasonal thing, but I like just using glimmery lip gloss, and this is glimmery, and it has gold sparkles all through it, so it really matches what I'm wearing today. And I can't see the name of it. It's on there, but it's very small. Tinsel. The name of this is Tinsel, and it's by Tarte. Loving it.
Okay.
Roberto, thank you for watching us. I just want to let anybody know we're doing a thing right now. Any person that can get us 13 verified viewers that subscribe to our channel, we're going to send a special product that we have to you as a gift for doing that. And it will be more than $20.
Okay.
Where did you get that? I want to use some. Who's it by?
I don't have anything on my lower lid. I can't put this on yet.
Wow, this is so pretty. I mean, I can't get over these things really worked well. Okay, all I gotta do now, do a little, why in the world do I always do this? My goodness, I'm having an issue here. One there, one there. I've stuck my fingernail in two of these that I didn't even use. Dear Lord in heaven. Okay. Let's get this done because my sissy poo is done. And I'm not. Ah! Really? I'm going to have to go through this lipstick. I have entirely too much lipstick in it. Take that home and go through it. Poopy doodle. Alrighty. Let's hurry up and do my eyeliner. I'm using a NYX retractable eyeliner today, and it's in brown. Loving this. Let's do that for a minute.
I need a flat brush.
Well, there you have it, ducks. Yes, ma'am.
What? Oh, okay, I put there. We're being quiet because I can't talk and put stuff on right now.
I'm a goose, goose, goose. Oh, yeah. I'm a goose, goose, goose. I'm thinking about Velocigoose right now. Little sweetheart. You know, I still carry on about that, but it's just, to me, it was amazing that I was friends with a big, gigantic goose that would go around and nip at people's ankles.
He would, too.
Yes. I don't know if it was a guy or a girl. I didn't know how to tell because all the fur was down there, but I never got that close. I would just pet her, when him or her, when she'd let me pet her. And that duck, pardon me, that goose, how do they really quack? See, I have a hard time with that.
It doesn't sound like a regular quack.
Yeah, I can't copy it.
Survey says, I'm not sure about this mascara.
Oh, who's it by?
NYX.
Oh.
I think. Yeah, NARS.
NARS. Okay, NARS, they have good stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Good expensive stuff. That's why I have to, the only quad that I've spent all that money on lately was the one by Anastasia. I really, really wanted that, and I'll probably use it 500 times.
Yeah.
So you don't like the mascara?
It's
an eh for you?
It's yeah.
Well, you know, you got so many mascaras right now. I don't really think you need to get any more. You've got about 15 of them, I think, of different kinds.
Yeah, probably.
So you probably don't even really need it. You know, the one that you're really in love with right now is that Optic one by L'Oreal. I just happened to get a really crappy thing that the thing wouldn't go in and out with. And then I was too afraid to buy another one because I thought I'd go through it again. What's going on?
I don't know.
Oh, God, I get so nervous. Okay, he said he was on his way 15 minutes ago.
Does he have a phone now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where are you? He was going to go to the hospital today, and then he changed his mind.
Yeah, he told me that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
He's been having this thing where he thinks everybody's talking about him. I'm like, dude, really? Even me in the other room. What do you? And then he goes and carries on. You know, it's like ridiculous.
I'm taking raisins because
help yourself. Help him.
I'm gonna redo my. Oh, I bought this for my lips and I didn't use it.
Well, doggies.
And that's a nice one. I took your advice and I was gonna put the.
Oh.
Instead, I put this on.
Well, doggy poo. Sicily, is that expensive?
It's very expensive.
Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Yeah, I'm gonna buy expensive stuff, but I ain't paying the price. Like, the most I'm gonna pay for a lipstick, if it's a good one, is $10, period. I'm a cheapskate.
That one was $54.
That was ridiculous.
Redonkulous?
Yeah, I don't know, Chrissy. You and me have different techniques. I've had to, you know, raise these kids, and just it's been really hard.
I had times when I didn't have food in the cupboard for myself. I had it for the kids, and always made sure my kids are taken care of.
Ooh. I'm the same way. I cleaned people's toilets. I did ironing. I did whatever. I babysit. You know, I did whatever it took. I did contract cleaning. And then I got, you know, the job at working with kids because I love kids so much. And then I worked at Oceaneering International. That was when I started making decent money. I was only making 14 bucks an hour, but it was money.
Yeah. I didn't make that much working for the government.
What? Wow.
I barely scraped by. I was living paycheck to paycheck.
Oh my goodness. That's horrible.
But I did it.
Yeah, and you had a cute little house too.
Yeah.
Ah! Why does this happen to me? You know what's cool though is that setting stuff made it where it did not mess up. That makes me really happy. Okay, you need to show your final look, my darling.
This is my final look.
Okay, I gotta answer this real quick.
Okay.
Hey, where are you? Okay, I'm saying, hang on 1 second. This is my final look. Isn't it gorgeous? Guys, we're so thankful for each and every one of you. We hope that you're having a wonderful day or evening, whatever the case may be. Please continue to watch our videos and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate having new subscribers. Leave some comments down below so that we can get acquainted with you and get to know you. And, you know, we just really, really look forward to meeting each and every one of you. And come on, leave some comments. We're bored. So, anyways, we will be seeing you on the next video, but my sister has something she wants to say. Nubbins.
I do have something to say. Wherever you are, I hope you're well, and we will see you the next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.